Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about the Beast, our latest gaming PC put together with the help of Noctua and Thermaltake. It runs an Intel 10900K CPU cooled by the Noctua NH D15 cromax.black on the MSI Z490 MEG ACE. For the past days we ran a series of tests on the PC and we are preparing a review for you soon, but we wanted to put together this video to talk about the overclocking capabilities of this notorious hot CPU. While in stress test 5.2 GHz on all cores was the most we achieved with the system staying stable, we found out we can push it even further for everyday stuff like graphics and gaming. The Beast is now stable at 5.4 GHz with idle temperatures of 28 to 30 degrees at 1.42 volts, and we can play our favorite games in 4K resolutions without any issues. So here's a video of us playing Counter-Strike Global Offensive and the latest Mafia game, the definitive edition. Enjoy!
Let's roll.
Bem, team mai cu cheaters cu pitch cu...
You're on it. Roger.
Senin ananı sikeyim ben ya.
Terrorists win.
I mostly drove nights, because the money was better. It was at the end of one of those shifts, when I first met Polly and Sam.
I got a gun pointed at you. They catch up, we're dead. But you don't get to walk away.
I don't want any trouble.
Well, you got trouble. Drive. How the hell they know we'd be there? It doesn't matter now. We just gotta lose them. How many cars we got following? One for now. But there'll be more.
Hold tight, I'm gonna try something. Who were those guys?
You don't get to ask questions. We need to get over the river. Take the Giuliani Bridge.
Oh, okay.
Your leg okay up there?
Hurts like hell.
When we're back, I'll wake up the doc.
I don't know, it might be okay.
Just getting the call anyways. Hey, I see you listening, Cabby. You don't get to listen either.
All I'm doing is taking you guys where you want to go.
You got a death wish or something? So do that.
Okay, we're at the river. Where am I taking you once we're over the bridge?
I'm getting tired of the questions.
More of them!
Ah, shit!
I know some shortcuts that'll slow them down.
I don't care how you do it. Just shake them off. That was your shortcut?
I lost him, didn't I?
Not all of them.
These guys really don't like you, do they?
Sometimes business partners fall out. It happens. Quit yapping, Polly. More he knows, more chance of him not seeing the sun come up.
I ain't heard a thing, fellas.
I'll give you that. They must have sent word out. There's more and more of them. We're not gonna last long unless we're back on our own turf. Let's get back to the neighborhood. The bridge is up, ain't it?
Yeah, we can make it.
What the hell are we doing? Just sit tight and pray. Never done that before. Me neither. Okay, so Little Italy. Now. Your night's not over. I didn't see this coming. You think he squealed? I think you zip it tight. We talk it through back at the bar. Okay, we're close. Pull over in front of that bar.
Salieri's place.
Yeah, that's the one. Wait here.
What for?
You want a little something from the Don or not?